ODM Chairman and member of the National Assembly's Parliamentary Accounts Committee, John Mbadi, has written to his chairman, Nicholas Gumbo, requesting him to immediately summon Singoei Murkomen and Sigei advocates, as well as Farouk Kibet, to immediately appear before the committee to shed light on claims they received money from the NYS.
Mbadi states that the committee has a right to ask any Kenyan, regardless their position, to appear before them in relation to an investigation that the PAC is conducting.
In a prior interview with NTV, Gumbo had stated that PAC's hands are tied as it cannot ask Senator Murkomen directly and can only invite him via the speakers of both houses.
Particularly the party that sponsored the Honourable Member to Parliament. We have condemned this and we are telling the government that what they have done is unconstitutional. No one can be detained without any justifiable reason. We want to be told where this Honourable Member is first, why he has been detained, and was that the right way to go? And we are asking the government to release him before the end of today, because there is absolutely no reason why they are harassing him.